I'm willing to bet that at some point in your life, you've had a great idea and you've shared it with someone you know. And they said to you, you know what? That's a good idea. You should start a company. But here's the problem with that. After that idealistic moment, what the hell do you do? Where do you take that thing? No one ever tells you that, right? And coupled with the harsh reality that 90% of new products fail and 50% of new businesses fail, it's easy to see why you wouldn't want to pursue your idea. This is something that I have dealt with repeatedly in my career as I led innovation at Amazon, PayPal, Target, Visa, and a bunch of startups. So after I sold my company, I decided there's got to be a way to help people bring their ideas to life while reducing the risk of failure. Because if we do that, we could very well empower someone who has the next great idea to make our world better. Who knows? You could become the next entrepreneur or innovative leader who solves one of the biggest problems facing us right now, right? So to help you innovate, I built the world's most comprehensive innovation training program, and I'm giving it to you for free. I call this training Business Evolution. And today we're going to walk through the curriculum so you can understand what you will learn. Look, you may have been told that you need to spend half your life in school getting an MBA, be a natural genius, or perhaps be blessed by Silicon Valley to innovate, but that's not true. Wherever you are, wherever you're from, you can be an innovator. You might be thinking now, what is innovation? And I get it. It's one of those words that's been used so much, it's kind of meaningless. Innovation is simple. Innovation is to make changes in something or to create something new. It could be a product, a service, experience, brand, or process. If you're changing it or making a new version of it, that's innovation. And so everyone can be an innovator. And the best way to learn to be an innovator is by innovating. And that's what we're going to do together starting right now. Innovation is much easier to understand when it's applied to real world scenarios. And in business, everyone right now is talking about AI. So I thought, let's use AI as the market we're going to innovate in. Now, whether or not you want to innovate in AI, I'm just using this as an example. The mindset, process, principles, tools, and team leadership skills we will cover can be applied to your work today, whatever market you work in. Every day, we will walk step by step through the innovation process, ultimately developing a pitch that we can use to raise capital. I'm going to do this completely open source, so you will see all of my research and process. And I invite you to participate. Innovation is a team sport, and it is much more fun working with other people. So let's go over the steps that we're going to take to innovate in AI. There are 5 main steps that we're going to go through. The first step is to understand the opportunity at a high level. To develop our understanding, we're going to do quick research on the market, the customer, and the competitors. For the market, we're going to do research to determine if AI represents a large and growing market and whether or not this is credible technology. And in this step, we will determine which customers are using AI or which customers are considering using AI. Once we define the customer, we will look to see who the customer is currently using. Those are our competition. We don't want to compete with trillion-dollar companies who spend billions of dollars a year on innovation. Rather, we want to find the opportunity in the market where there are customers whose problems are not being solved by powerful competition. Having determined that there is a market, a customer, and that the competition has not dominated the market, we can then dive into the full innovation process. Innovation begins by ensuring that we have the appropriate mindset to fuel our learning and growth. And that means we need to have a growth mindset, resilience. We need to make decisions based on data. We need to be obsessed over the customer. And throughout all that, we're going to be continuously learning. Once we have the right mindset, we need to build a plan to turn our idea into disruptive outcomes. To build a plan, we need to deeply understand our customer, competition, and market. In these steps, we will go deeper than our initial research to determine the real, precise opportunity that exists. Once we have a clear understanding of the opportunity, we will then define the solution. Many entrepreneurs and innovators start with the solution in mind and then try to find the customer. This is a recipe for failure. Think about it. What's more likely to succeed? Me guessing what you want or me asking what you want and then giving it to you? Obviously, me asking what you want is going to produce better results. So to reduce risk, we're going to work backwards from the customer and then deeply understand the competition in the market to find the space for our new solution. Once we understand the solution, we will go over how to use the tools available to all innovators to make rapid progress bringing our solution to life. And that includes key performance indicators, weekly business reviews, product management, startup accelerators, business incubators, and mergers and acquisitions. The precise tools we choose will depend upon the solution we design, and we will make a game time decision on what's right for our solution once we define our solution. Finally, innovation is impossible without a team, so we will dive into how to build and lead an innovative team. That starts with talent acquisition and then developing the right culture, the right team experience, and then developing the team itself through mentorship and communities of practice. Once we have walked through all of these steps, you will have the foundation you need to start innovating. So let's do it. Let's innovate together. The next step will be tomorrow, where we dive into the preliminary research we need to do to understand the AI market. And again, this is a conversation. I look forward to hearing from and learning from you as we go through this entire process. If you would like to follow along, please like and subscribe. If you know someone who would like to learn how to innovate, please share this with them. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to me directly. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm excited to innovate with you. Have a great day.